Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you about an automatic staircase that appears and disappears depending on if you're walking up or down it. The design is easily tileable and can go up to the build limit or down to bedrock. The materials list will also be listed in the description below, but depending on how many stairs you want, you'll need more or less materials. To get started, place a diagonal line to whatever height you want. Place redstone dust on the blocks. Place blocks above the redstone dust to disconnect the redstone line. Place 2 blocks here, then place your sticky pistons on the blocks that have your redstone. Then place a tripwire hook to the left of the redstone and above every other piece of redstone. Then place your stairs upwards, attached to your sticky piston. Leave a 6 block gap and just copy what you've done on this side to the other side. Do a diagonal line upwards, mirroring the other side. Place your redstone dust. Place your blocks on top of the redstone. Place your pistons. Then your tripwire hooks, and place your stairs upwards, attached to the pistons. Now to finish it off, just fill in the gaps between the 2 tripwire hooks on either side with pieces of string. When you're done, it should look something like this. If you walk up to it, the stairs should just move into place, allowing you to walk up the staircase. This is what it looks like in third person. You're able to walk up it and down it at any speed you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.